This review is of Endangered Species Chocolate Premium Baking Chips, Oat Milk plus Dark Chocolate, 75% cocoa. And it is rich and dark, supposedly. And it's vegan, non-GMO, fair trade. Let's see. Also, it is parve, so it's safe for Jews and Muslims in that respect. Gluten-free, 90.5% fair trade. For the cocoa mass, cane sugar, oat bran, and vanilla. Let's see. I guess that's it. Here is the blurb and the nutrition facts. 90 calories per 1.5 tablespoons. 7 grams of fat, of which 4.5 are saturated from the cocoa butter. No cholesterol or sodium. Total carbs are 6, of which 2 are dietary fiber. Yay. 2 are sugars that are all added, and 1 gram of protein. And the ingredients. All right. Yes, we are making brownies today. Okay. Smells of chocolate and oats. These are not terribly sweet. Pretty mildly sweet, actually. Given that there are only 2 grams of sugar. So if you're looking for a low sugar chocolate fix, this is definitely going to be a great choice. Especially since the dietary fiber is going to level out that sugar so it spreads into your bloodstream throughout the day. But as far as like a real flavor packed chocolate, no. You have to have sugar or stevia or something to bring out that flavor. So it's just kind of blah. Health-wise, maybe we could say it's a little bit better than average because it's low in sugar. But it isn't going to make your tongue happy. Yeah. So I'll give it a 6. Thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day.